Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is Windows 10 Redstone 5 17754 for Windows Insider on the fast ring. Very close to the final version of this. It could be the one. Microsoft don't actually say until after it's been released usually, but you see there's no watermark down here in the bottom right hand corner. There are no new features in this build. There are a lot of fixes. A couple of people, or one person in particular, said on the last video that it wasn't worth doing these videos because I wasn't showing anything new. But there isn't anything new, but people are interested in what's changed, so I am going to continue with them. There are plenty of fixes, and I'll just talk about through some of them. They've fixed some issues at Action Center where it wouldn't reliably click out. This I didn't notice this problem. Mine opens up fine here and has done all the time really, so I don't know what the issue was with that, but I haven't seen that issue at all. They've fixed some issues with open and save dialogues. One thing that they have fixed, which I did experience, was in some PWA apps like the Twitter app, if you clicked on a link it didn't do anything sometimes, and you see that's worked okay on there, so it's good to see they fixed that. They fixed some issues with Task Manager crashing. Microsoft Edge web notes, multi-monitor issues have been fixed, account issues, app and feature pages, and narrator. So actually with this build now, there's just the two known issues with ease of access, making ease of access text bigger. That would see some clipping and some narrator issues using the tab key to move around. So really almost ready to go live. I would expect this is definitely a candidate for release, probably not the one, but it works with no issues and it's been working fine on my various machines. So that's build 17754. We know it's going to be the Windows 10 October 2018 update, released in October, probably towards the end of October to general users, and maybe at the end of September, beginning of October, being the one that goes to the release preview ring. This is currently fast ring, next it'll go to slow ring. So thanks for watching this video. You can check out previous videos with all the new changes in Redstone 5 on our YouTube channel, and I'll get a full overview of what's changed in Redstone 5 soon. And we've also got videos of HoloLens Redstone 5 on our YouTube channel as well, so head over there, go to subscribe if you like our videos. Find me on Twitter at @ISDixon.